So today I created this glamorous but simple makeup look. Even if you don't know how to do a makeup, this look is very easy to create. So now let's create this beautiful look together. I know I look weird, but let's do this. It's been more than 3 years that I bought these rollers, and this is the first time that I'm using it. And I don't know how it's gonna come out, but it took me almost an hour to just roll this shit. Like, I was so freaking tired. And moving on with the primer, I got this cute little sample from Rare Beauty, and this is their blurring primer. And I've heard a lot of good things about this primer, so I'm gonna be using this one. Hair is bothering. I don't know if I might take it off. And for the foundation, I'm really excited. This is not a foundation, but it is Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer from Rare Beauty. So I'm gonna use a brush. What? It's some... Okay, I'm getting a little frustrated with the hair. Moisturizer with SPF with this much of coverage, like, I'm all in. I just wish if the bottle was a little bit bigger, but never mind. Okay, I'm officially in the verge of giving up with this hair roller. How do you girls do it? Now for the concealer, I'm just using Naked Quickie concealer. This has to be my current favorite. It's just the smell of concealer that kind of throws me off, but the formula and everything is really good. It blends so fast. Now I'm gonna contour my face with this cream stick bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I'm basically gonna contour literally everywhere. Like, you guys probably have not seen me contour my face like this, but there's a first time for everything. Bronzer is so creamy, blends out in seconds. We're kind of looking snatched here. And now for the blush, I got this new shade from Rare Beauty, and this is the shade called Grist. Like, this much is absolutely more than enough when it comes to Rare Beauty blush. I have to use my blush on nose and chin. Rare Beauty blush is literally everything. Brightening. I can't miss out on pink brightening powder from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I mean, there's no point of doing makeup without using pink brightening powder. You guys might be hearing the noise of my heater. Please ignore it, because it is super cold here in Northern Cali. Like, my asthma and this cold definitely not going hand in hand. And I'm gonna set my whole face using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I'm gonna add this Sephora blush right on top of my Rare Beauty blush. And for the highlighter, I'm using Rare Beauty again in shade Mesmerize. I mean, do you see that glow? Now for the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in shade Medium Brown. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this newly launched Urban Decay Naked Smiley palette. I think this is a collaboration palette with Smiley, and the colors are really pretty. First, I'm gonna use this whitish shade called Sight all over my lid, just like that. I'm gonna use this shade called Blast on my crease line, just like that. And I'm just grabbing another eyeshadow palette from Galactic, and I'm going to use this shade called Spice right on my crease, like that. I'm going to add this little bit of dark black right here on me. Now I'm going to cut the crease using this jarred eyeshadow base in black canvas. I'm simply going to create the shape that I want, and I'm simply going to fill it like that. With same dark shade again, I'm kind of closing my outer corner like that. Now I'm going to use this yellow shade called Smiley from Urban Decay palette, and simply going to pat it here. Color is so good. Now I'm going to add this yellow eyeshadow topper from Moira Cosmetics in shade Overblown. You have to buy this eyeshadow topper, literally each and every shade from Moira Cosmetics, because it's totally worth it. Adding this brown gel liner from Galactic, and I'm simply blending it out with a flat brush. Now I'm gonna add this ocean blue color in shade Cyber Smile on my lower lash line. Adding mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my favorite lashes from Velour in Style Simple, and look how gorgeous this lashes is. Now for the lips, I'm gonna add my favorite lip liner from Couple Cosmetics in shade BF50, of course. And now I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Fenty in shade Heart. Adding a little bit of concealer right in the center, and that's it. And that's it for the makeup, you guys. Now drum roll please, because I'm going to open my hair. And this is how it looks. I literally wasted more than an hour. It's not the product is not working, it's just I didn't know how to do it. This is probably the first time that I'm so disappointed for the hard work that I've done. I'm still gonna go do my hair and then be back because this is not getting. So this is the hair. I cannot afford to use another fucking hour for the hair, so I kind of opted for my go-to hairstyle. And I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it, even though hair was such a distracting, but I did it. And I would see your time to let me know how you like this makeup in the comment section below. And see you on my next video.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this